Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nanda Nandanang Vande Radhika Charunodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vancha Kalpataruvasya Kripa Sindhu Bhavacha Patitanang Pavane Vaishnavibhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vācālaṁ Pangum Langhayati Girim Yat Kripatamaham Vande Paramananda Madhavam Brindavai Tulsidevai Piyavai Keshavasacha Shna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvatai Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Chaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswating Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudir Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadesha Gauriya Patrasya Prakasanecha Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varuna Dhyam Sada Paribhavagnam Abhishtadoham Tethaspadam Siva Viranchanutam Saranyam Vetatiham Panatoval Bhavadipotam Bande Mahapurusate Charunarvindam Yat Pada Pallavanakachanda Manichataya Vispurijita Gamapi Gavavadu Swadarsi Purnanuragra Susagara Saramurti Saradhikamai Kada Kibam Karosi Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhaktavind Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhaktavind Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanaka bodhato Sankirtanai kavitaro kamala yataksho Vishambaro dijavaro jagadharma palo Bande jagat priyakaro karuna bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Surasuroirvandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin Jamuktin Chatada Sinitam Bhavanurupena Sada Naranam Ganga Tarangaramaniya Jata Kalapam Gauri Nirantara Vibhushi Tabam Bhagam Narayano Priyamanango Madhapaharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavishanatham Vagisha Vadane Lakshmi Jasacha Vakshasi Yasyasti Hide Sambhit Tvam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Jadavadi mama mano Krishna padar vinde navanavarasadhyam rantumasit Tadavadi bhatho nari sangam smorjamani Sushru nishchivanancha mukh vikara bhavati Jadavadi mama mano Krishna padar vinde navanavarasadhyam rantumasit Tadavadi bhatho nari sangami smorjamani Sushru nishchivanancha mukh vikara bhavati Gauriya Goshtipati Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Jagat Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that so long as we are not feeling attraction for Bhagavan Sri Krishna or Prakita Kamdev, till then surely we are going to be attracted by Maya, surely. 100%. It's like mathematical calculation. Gauri Goswami, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that so long as we are not feeling attraction for Aprakita Kamdev, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, till then be sure we are more or less feeling attraction towards Maya. It's like mathematical calculation. So long as we are failure to see the beauty, the excellency of Krishna, till then there is no chance. Actually, Suddha Guru Vaishnava, they are going to give this feeling to us. We cannot buy this feeling from market. We cannot buy this kind of feeling from market. Only and only Shuddha Guru Vaishnava, they can inculcate, they can transfer their power, translate their power inside our heart, inside our heart, and the moment we can see the beauties of Krishna, from then no father can stop us. Who was able to stop Srimati Radharani? Who was able to stop those gopikas? Who was successful to stop Raghunath Das Goswami? Who was successful to stop Rupa Goswami or Sanatana Goswami? Nobody. Nobody can stop them. It's a tremendous attraction. Irresistible attraction. We can break all barrier in the way of attaining Krishna. In the way of attaining Krishna, attainment of Krishna, okay, you can also say. If there is any barrier, that barrier can destroy, all smashed, and they must go to Krishna. Nobody, no father can stop them. This is called actually Rupanuga Bhajan, Raganuga Bhajan in general we can say. So, the beauty of the lotus feet of Krishna, we must try to realize under the guidance of Guru Vaishnava. The moment we are successful, nobody can stop us. Savai pungsam paro dharmo yato bhakti radhakshaje ahetuki apratihata jayatmasu prasidati. Apratihata, you cannot stop, you must go. This is called Krishna Bhakti. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad wanted to speak this point very clearly. Eternal Parsad of Bhagavan, Gauranga or Krishna, but still, out of humble attitude, going to speak the moment from when I started realizing the excellency of Krishna Charan. Excellency. From then onward, I never felt any attraction. Kamini, Kanchan, Pratishtha Joshi, nothing could stop me. This is the condition. Srila Prabhupada speaking, Srila Madhavendra Puripad is the main foundation of our Gaudiya Bhajan, Gaudiya Sampradaya. Though we know it very well, in Hindi Katha I also started explaining. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu speaking, Madhavendra Puripad, Mahaprabhu used to love Madhavendra Puripad. And we know Mahaprabhu himself taking the form of Aprakita Prem tree, Prem Phal tree. Mahaprabhu himself, yesterday I was discussing. Though he is Supreme Lord, but still purposely he is going to take the position of a Prem Phal, Prema fruit tree. And he himself speaking that I am the gardener. I like to distribute prema among everybody. Free of cost. Free of cost, whatever, how many fruits you like to take. It is written, one fruits can make you restless. Restlessness with prema, you can become crazy. One fruit. One fruit if you eat, after that you can become crazy. Prema. Which is the absolute goal of our life. Param Purushartha. Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha, all general thing. Very cheap thing. Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. If somebody asking, what do you mean by Dharma? What is the general conception of Dharma? I already told. What is prescribed in Veda? Common Pandit, they are not actual Pandit. They like to watch what is written where. Literal meaning. According to that, they are going to prescribe it is written in Veda. You can do it. In Veda, you can do. You have no children. Okay. Then you can do Jagya, you can get children. Whatever you need, tasty, very tasty prescription given in Veda in general. But finally, Bhagavan speaking, Vedasya sarvai rahameva vedya. Nobody knows what is the inner meaning of it. I am bound to keep, because countless patients, they are having countless diseases. Not that you have one disease, same disease I have. You have one disease, he has one, she has one disease. So for them, different prescription must be there in the preliminary stage. Though it is not preliminary for the time being, otherwise they can go up. That's why Bhagavan was bound to keep different kind of lucrative offers. But finally Bhagavan told, I wanted to show them that I am there. Veda nothing. Finally Veda can indicate me. Finally Veda can indicate me. If not so, then your reading Veda is useless. Better you don't read. But you must read, because there is so vast society there, countless jivas are there. So, after reading Veda, if somebody cannot realize Bhagavan, Krishna, then his reading Veda is useless. Vedasya sarve rahameva vedya. So anyway, if somebody asking the general meaning of Dharma, Dharma means dharjate, like boat capsize. You are in the boat, and the boat going to, everybody jumping in water. But you have one life buoy, you know life buoy? You're catching and going to cross over. Follow. This dharma at least can help you to realize something. Ultimately can help you to cross material ocean, but in the beginning, the example I am giving, it is exactly applicable for Bhagavad Dharma. Not here. Just example, you are, to protect yourself, you are having. But that protection is not fine. The example I give you is exactly applicable for Bhagavad Dharma, because they like to cross over material. But with this Dharma, at least they can maintain their moral character, honesty, which has some which has some value in this material platform. Your punctuality, your honesty, your ethical character. Okay, at least you are not doing, at least you are not doing any dirty thing to go down, more and more down. At least you are. That's why dharma means by gripping, by catching the pillar, you are trying to protect yourself. Dharma. And it is actually applicable for Bhagavad Dharma. By holding the support, you can cross over. So Dharma, Bhagavad Dharma in Veda, here, there, so many things can be written. So at least you cannot fall down. Maybe you are not going down, going up so much. So at least this is good that you are safe from committing any offense. You are sinful activities. Offense, if they are not in touch with Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan, sometimes they can also knowingly, unknowingly, can commit offense also by coming here, there. It's not bad. Anyway, so Srila Madhavendra Puripad is the main pillar. Though we know Srila Madhavendra Puripad is a Kalpa Vriksha, in Golok Vrindavan, there is one tree, Bancha, Kalpatru. That tree taking the form of Madhavendra Puripad. But here, Srila Madhavendra Puripad, before leaving his body, speaking such excellent sloka one. It is written that at all this sloka appeared inside the heart of Srimati Radharani, originally. And by chance, by the kripa of Srimati Radharani, Madhavendra Puripad developed this kind of bhava. What is the sloka? Ai dindayardanath imathuranath kadavalakasya hidayam tadaloku kataram daito brahmati kinkarami aham. This sloka, Prabhupada speaking, should be the feeling of this sloka, Prabhupada speaking, the feeling of this sloka should be there inside the heart of us, Gaudiya devotee, each and everybody. Each and everybody. All they should have this kind of bhava. The feeling Madhavendra Puripad, the feeling developed inside the heart of Madhavendra Puripad, we Gauriyas, we must have this kind of feeling. Especially those who are Rupanuga devotee. They must feel. If not so, then we cannot realize what is the excellency of Gauriya Bhajan. Impossible. Though originally this slok appeared in the tongue of Srimati Radharani, and the feeling is also there. Feeling is also Srimati Radharani is feeling. It is. So what is the feeling? That feeling, when Krishna gone to Mathura, when Sri Krishna gone to Mathura, that time there is a tremendous feeling of separation. Both Krishna feeling separation, Krishna cannot go, but must go, because otherwise all Leela, you have to complete Leela, na? So Krishna must go. He has some responsibility, divine responsibility. Krishna cannot have any responsibility. But still, Krishna going. That time, Srimati Radha, Krishna gone, Srimati Radharani, all Gopikas, Lolita, Vishakha, all they are crying and speaking. It is one kind of sweet allegation. One kind of sweet allegation. What? Now you gone to Mathura, we are illiterate, cowardly, we are milkmaid, you know? And you are, they are all educated, Gopikas are there, all educated there. They can understand more because we are not educated. So they can serve you more practical way. You can feel very nice. We have no love for you. We don't know how to serve you. That's why you gone. Oi Din Dayardonath, Mathuranath. Din Dayardonath, this one kind of feeling that Krishna is really 100% merciful. Din Dayardonath. Those who are Din, the very poor, very unable, for them Krishna is very merciful. Krishna is really merciful. But Gauranga is more and more. More and more. Because Krishna, we know, Madhurya Pradhan Audharya Vigraha. Predominating factor inside Krishna is Madhurya. Audharya is there, but not like Gauranga. Gauranga is a combination of Srimati Radharani, Krishna together with Radharani, who is the original Guru Tattva, Guru. That's why Gauranga Mahaprabhu exhibiting more and more prema. We cannot estimate endless ocean of mercy. Anarpita charing chirata karuna avatirna kalau samarpatu unnato ujjala samsa bhakti sriyam harihi purad sundaradhyati kadamba sandivita sada hidaya kandare spurutuva sisachinandana. Endless mercy. We cannot estimate. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurati Shenam. The Rupa Goswami Pad going to identify properly. Exactly portrayed. This way, Gopikas, they are putting, it is in the kingdom of Prema. In the kingdom of Prema, there is some code language. You cannot understand. Those who are heartless people, they cannot understand. In the kingdom of Prema, there is always code language. If Srimati Radharani going to say, I don't need, go away, that's when you need more. Like I can give the example of Jagadananda Pandit. Jagadananda Pandit wanted to arrange mattress and pillow, everything for Mahaprabhu. Is sleeping on the ground. So Mahaprabhu cannot accept. Mahaprabhu threw it. Well, you arrange a mattress and everything for me. Why not you bring one bedstead also? And who can massage my leg also? Can bring. Apply oil on my leg and massage. And that is the reason for why I have taken sannyas. Na? Right you are. Jagadananda, you are right. That is the reason for I have taken sannyas. So Jagadananda cannot get satisfaction. Mahaprabhu very strict. Whereas Jagadananda cannot bear, even cannot look at Prabhu. Body becomes slim, sleeping on the ground, 3 times taking bath, oof, whole body. Jagadananda feeling pain. That is called divine love affair. When I cannot bear your pain, of course it is also applicable in material world. Mother cannot bear the pain of son. That is in material level. But aprakita level, there is no interest. Mother must have some material interest. Be it in very fine form. Be it in fine form, but interest must be there. Interest not there, it cannot say happen. Interest must be there. I told yesterday, somebody can give me bribe in fine form. Somebody like to give bribe in material form, or somebody like to give bribe in fine form. So, if I cannot realize this is one kind of bribe, this is Maya, then Maya can grasp me. If I can keep one very fantastic, limit, divine limit, up to which how I can talk with you, talk with Matajis or any body. It depends upon I myself, how far I can go, up to a limit. So I can open my heart, they can realize my affection, they can come out. That is the only way. But other way I cannot go. It is not the rules. All Guru Varga shown this kind of. So, anyway, those Gopikas, they wanted to express one kind of sweet, what do you call, allegation. And now you gone to Mathura. Mathura, all there, you can find nice Gopikas, they are educated. They know. We are actually coward ladies here, staying in Gopi, we are busy with cows and everything, so we are dirty. So, very nice, they are educated, if they are fine, intellect can help you to get more enjoyment, they can serve you more. Oi, Din Dayardunath, Mathuranath. Din Dayardunath, by this they are expressing, lamenting, aprakita. You gone, Din Dayardunath, Mathuranath, Kodavalakus. When we can see your lotus feet, like Radharani speaking to Krishna in Kurukshetra. It is written in Chaitanya Charitamrita. In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written, there Srimati Radharani complaining to Krishna. If you are at all going back to Vrindavan, then we think that your kripa is on us. If you are not going back, not kripa, you'll have to go back. We don't like these horse and elephants, kingly arrangement, majestic arrangement all around. We like Vrindavan. Flower, fruits, grass, cows, Jamuna, Giriraj Maharaj, all giving us nice thrill. We are not feeling interested here. All kingly arrangement. All there. We don't like. We don't like. So Radharani is speaking, Aner Hidaya Mon, more Mon Vrindavan. For other people, they are speaking something, something is there inside the heart. But for me, what I speak, what I feel, if you open the heart, you can see there is no existence of any foreign element except Vrindavan. Only Vrindavan. My entire heart is full of Vrindavan. And there, we like to see you. Vrindavan is incomplete without you. And also Vrindavan is incomplete without Srimati Radharani Gopikas. So, Srimati Radharani is speaking, Aner Hidaya Mon, more Mon Vrindavan, Mone Bone Ek Kuri Mani. You can go through this verse if you have Chaitanya. আনের হৃদয় মন, মোর মন বৃন্দাবন, মনে বনে এক করি মানি। তাহা তোমার চরণোদ্দয় যদি করাও উদয়, তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি। Bengali, no? You? This is very nice. Anir Hidayabon, all other people, they are speaking some this and something there inside them. But my heart is totally entire heart is Vrindavan. No existence, any foreign elements. Anir Hidayamon, Mon Mon Vrindavan, Mone Mone Akkuri Mani. As if my mind is expanded as Sri Vrindavan. There, if you are at all going to put your lotus leg there, I mean if you like to go with us, then we think your full kripa is there on earth. Otherwise not. We are less interested to hear sweet, sweet word from you. No amount of consolation can stop us. Consolation, we are less interested. The only solution is that you must go. The only solution. Without which, any other solution you give, you can send Uddhav there and give some advice. It's nothing. No other solution we can. The only solution. If you go back to Vrindavan, give your association, we can also play together. We remember Vrindavan, all nice sea bay, and river bed, nice sand bed, all around forest, nice. This we like. So, Srila Madhavendra Puripad speaking this way, Madhavendra Puripad speaking this way, actually the feeling of Srimati Radharani. Kadabalaka, when I can see your lotus mouth, because life almost going away. Life almost gone. But still we are living because our life, you are the life of all infinity life. You are the source of all life. We are thinking about you. You are the source of all life. Nitto nityanam chetanas chetananam eko bahunam javidadhati kaman tamatmastam javanavasanti dhiraha teisham santihi netaresha. Nitto nityanam chetanas chetananam. You are the source of all chetan. And naturally we are feeling separation. We are thinking about you. That is the reason for why you are not dying. Otherwise, by this time, our death is inevitable. We are not dying because you are life of all life. That's why somehow we are going to protect our life. The first sloka also speaking this. Jayati te dikam janmana brajo srayata indira shashadatrahi daita dikshutabhaka toi dhita sabho tvang vichinvate toi dhita sabho toi dhita sabho. Our life is resting until lotus feet. We are thinking about you. Toi dhita sabho. Asabho means Atma, singular number you cannot use. Water, rain, you cannot use singular number. It is a characteristic of Sanskrit language. Sand, you cannot say singular number. Asabho, because life is divided into 5 different air and life is resting. That's why asabho, sikataha. Sikata means sand, plural number, no singular number. Rain, plural number, singular number. Has some characteristics of Sanskrit language, very scientific language. Anyway, so, toi dhita sabho tvang vichinvate. Our life is resting on your lotus feet. We are almost going to die, but not dying. That is a miracle. And we are searching you a whole Vrindavan where you are. Because from Rasasthali, Krishna vanished. Krishna vanished. All Gopikas gone mad, searching Krishna. Srimati Radharani also vanished. Those Brajavasis, they are singing nice song. Ghanasham, you speak where we can get you. He Ghanaswam, where we can. Ghanasham tujhe dhoondte jaye kahan kahan. Ghanasham, speak where we can go and search you out. You are missing from us. Brajavasis, they are singing nice song. They have their right because they love Krishna. Anyway, this Madhavendra Puripad in our Gaudiya Bhajan can be treated as a more foundation. Though we know Gauranga, but still foundation. And from there, different branches coming out. We discussing Chaitanya Charitamrita. Recently this chapter going on. Anyway, so Madhavendra Puripad today is Tirabhav Tithi. If we are feeling heavy from heart, then it's okay. Our feeling, if feeling is deep feeling of separation, then it's okay. Otherwise, if we can speak something, lecture, it's not good. Anyway, Madhavendra Puripad, one is Kinchan. I can speak some very vital Siddhanta, which is very important. That is, Srila Madhavendra Puripad was number one Niskinchan. He never used to take rice, chapati, nothing. Like Sukdev Goswami, some milk, that also without asking. He used to drink milk, gobbo, that also without asking. If without asking somebody giving, they can drink, otherwise not. Namanande prito puri khudatishna nahivat. Hunger, tiredness, thirstiness, nothing, not. Because of Prakita Sarira. That Srila Madhavendra Puripad, when went to, used to do parikram, one day he went there, one day he is doing parikram. After parikram, taking rest under a tree, there at the bank of Govinda Kunda, and he is doing Harinam nicely. Nicely Harinam. But not asking any water or, milk, nothing from anyone. So, evening time, one Gopa coming to him with a pot of milk and giving to him. And asking, what you are thinking about? What you are thinking about all the time? Why not you ask something from somebody to eat? This milk you take. But who told you I am not eating? Actually, all those gopikas, they are taking bath in Govinda Kundo, and they gone, they sent me with the milk. They saw you are not eating, sleeping, nothing. Not speaking that I am Krishna myself. After the giving, Puri always looking at the boy. No material boy can have this kind of attraction. No material boy can have this kind of attraction. What Puri looking, but cannot understand. By the magic spell of Yogamaya. He gone, Puri taking the milk nicely. After that washing, hey, you take the pot, I can come later. And take the pot, you drink after that. A boy not coming, not taking the pot. What happens? Puri thinking, why not coming? In the night time, a little bit is doing Harinam, little bit. Drowsiness coming. Then watching that boy, that black boy coming and speaking, Puri, I am there in Govardhan, there in the garden, in the jungle. Govardhan forest, there. There, Madhavendra were watching, that the same boy, he watching, I am there for long time. Rain and strong scorchy sunlight, giving me pain, you just go to deliver me from there. I am the deity established by whom? Vajranabha. Now, later on, in Parampara, they could not serve me properly because Muslim people, they wanted to attack. So, they, out of fear, wanted to put this deity inside forest and go. So, I am serving, I am looking forward, I am looking forward when you can, I am looking forward when you can come and serve me. Oh, really? Oh, that the boy. Madhavendra get up and started crying, bursted into tears. Oh my God, Krishna came in front of me, I could not arrest him. Oh my God, I am foolish. He himself came to give me, I could not realize. I thought maybe a village boy. Oh, so nice looking, attraction, but I couldn't realize. Not one time, not one time. This is not the case with only Madhavendra Puripat. Even the Muslim boy, Ras Khan, Muslim, he was the son of king of Delhi, one. Ras Khan Muslim. He was supposed to go to Agra, and the son of minister is also there, prime minister. The now minister, the boy asking, which way you prefer? Which way you prefer? But which way? How many ways? Two ways. One is straight way, we can go very nicely, we can go straight road. And another place is there, the Hindu, those who are Vaishnavas, they are speaking Vrindavan. Which way is shortcut? If you go through Vrindavan, it's shortcut, but still there is some magic spell. We heard some sadhus are there. By watching them, you cannot go back to home. Those Hindus, they are worshipping Krishna, more attractive, playing on... Oh, really? Then I must take this challenge. Then I must accept this challenge, I can go this way. More danger means no thrill. More danger means more thrill, adventure. He accepted his adventure. So he started. And he is going, okay, I can go this way. Go, we can meet there in Agra. But the man coming here, after that hearing Bansi Dhani, some sadhu doing bhajan, taking bath in Jamuna, all the way Bhagavad research, he gone mad. What to speak about the Ras Khan? I myself went fast to reach Vrindavan. Before reaching day and night, I am thinking, Vrindavan, Mathura, Mathura. Speak the name of Mathura. Oh, reaction. When I reach there, they are all different temple. They are reciting these. Now situation changed. Everybody money. Money. Kamini Kanja. But that time situation was still good. Oh, so nice, Jamuna, this, that. Follow. The man was captivated by the magic spell of Jogumaya. He could not move further. After that, somehow by the association of Guru Vaishnava, he heard Krishna is such excellent personality. By watching him, you can go mad. So nice. He can embrace, you can kiss. Oh, really? We are thinking about Allah. Oh, no shape and design, nothing. So Allah. So more practical I can meet. You can meet, no problem. So he gone crazy, he gone mad. He is searching here and there, like intoxicated man. He reached the, Srinathji temple. There Pujari cannot allow him to enter. Hey, go out. I like to meet. Some sadhu told me that we can meet with him. That's nice. So I like to meet with. Go meet outside. We cannot allow you. You are Muslim. Cannot allow you. But he is thinking what to do. Finally, what happens? Okay, they are searching in the field, all where. I am speaking cut short, some special. There are so many histories long. After that, he could see Krishna in the field with cows. He is writing still today in Delhi University, Calcutta University, all students in MA class, master degree, reading. He is writing, Ras Khan. His Samadhi Mandir, all Vaishnavas going. Tito Maharaj, me, all. Bharti, everybody in Gokul. Anyway, what I mean to say, Madhavendra Puripad could not understand that is Krishna himself. Krishna is very sarcastic. Whenever what kind of joking he is doing, you cannot. Sometimes you can cry, you can laugh. Oh, so many incidents. Krishna making competition of song. You song, this song you can sing. After the Krishna singing, competition going on. But now, due to the spell of Mayadevi, everything suppressed. You cannot see. Anyway, say Madhavendra Puripad is number one Niskinchan. I like to cut short my discussion. That Madhavendra Puripad ultimately, by the instruction of Krishna himself, who came in dream to give this instruction, I am there. So you take me out. By the help of Brajavasis, he was successful to bring him out. After that he was taken up and do Abhishek, everything. You see that Madhavendra Puripad is Niskinchan number one. Now he is bound to serve Gopal. He arranged so many prasadam, maybe he is not himself taking. All Brajavasis coming, one cow, all Brajavasis giving. Within short period of time, there was 10,000 Gomatas. Now you see, he is Niskinchan number one. Niskinchan number one, but he has to take care of 10,000 cows, temples, Abhishek, Prasadam, so many people. So Niskinchan means whose desire is completely same as Krishna. What Krishna wanted, that is called inner meaning of Niskinchan. If somebody asking what is the inner meaning of Niskinchan, I mean, what is the desire of Krishna? What is the desire of Krishna? That is the desire of Srimati Radharani. That's why Srimati Radharani is number one Niskinchan. This way, Madhavendra Puripad finally saw in dream, in one day in dream, Krishna came speaking. For a long time, hundreds of years, I was in sunlight, so my body burning. So what to do? Medicine. You can immediately go to South India, Malaja Chandan. What the foolish? Buy one chara. That is the environment. This environment cannot give. You can buy, you can spend your money, foolish, but this money cannot. This is not the environment. You need apple. Suppose you need apple. If you put apple, there is no apple. You cannot get. Need that Himalayan hill. This is about foolish. Only money, burning, money burning inside pocket. So throw money. Foolish now. You can't do seva. I know you died. Wait and watch what to do. This way, what happens? Madhavendra Puripad gone in search of Chandan, Malaja Chandan. So in the midway, he was bound to take rest there in where? In Kira Chora Gopinath. There also many things happened. I don't like to go in details. There happened. So Madhavendra Puripad watching Arati, everything. After that, 12 Kira pot. Kira means milk, very dry, very tasty. They are offering. And that day, Chintamani gave me Kira. And that Kira, nice. So after that, what happens? That Madhavendra Puripad thinking mentally, oh, if I could realize If I could get the taste of that Kira, then also I can go back to Vrindavan, my Gopal, Srinath Gopal, I can offer this way. After that, oh my God, I am so greedy, I like to get Kira. Oh, thu. He gone, and so he said, very dirty I am. Why I develop this kind of desire to take the taste of Kira? He said, I am greedy. Actually, he is not greedy. He is going to market and sitting. Chi. This kind of desire should not be there. How I develop? Doing Harinam. And here, Pujari, night time taking rest after closing the temple, and Gopinath came in dream. Hey, open the temple. Open temple. Why? Well, there is some Kira. I put, Kira was there, 12 Kira. I cover with my cloth so that you cannot see all. So that that is kept for that sadhu who is waiting there in the market, hut, village market. You go, really so? Yes. You get up, Pujari, again taking bath, open the window, going to open the, really Kira there. Get the Kira, and after that, beg for pardon. After that, going to market, whose name is Madhavendra Puri? Because Gopinath already, his name is Madhavendra Puri. You can go and shout, he can give response. Otherwise, he cannot identify himself. After that, Pujari closed the door and going to the market. Whose name is Madhavendra Puri? Whose name is Gopinath stealing Kira for you? What happened then? He's going, oh, my name is Madhu. Oh, your name is... Yeah, you are lucky. Pay posted Dandavat Pranam. This Kira stolen by Gopinath. Really? Yes. He started crying. Oh, I give trouble to Gopinath. His unnecessary going to take trouble to cover up the screen. Okay, taking the Kira with honor and crying and taking Kira. Very nice. Full one Kira taking and prema. After that, Madhavendra thinking, morning time this news can spread all around. That for me, Gopinath stealing Kira. So better I can leave this place, because morning time everybody can come, give me garland and wash my leg, very big headache, so I can fly now. He took Kira and washing the pot and drinking water, after that making powder of this mud pot and putting here nicely, all making that pot and putting here, every day taking one piece of that tukra. Ah, prem. One piece of that broken mud pot taking and prema coming. So, Madhavendra Puripat took decision, within 4 o'clock I can go away from here. He gone for Puri. The reason for why he started from Vrindavan. See, went there Puri, collect all Chandan, Gopikas, all Pandas, they're hearing. This sadhu, real sadhu. So he's not making any lie. He is not going to make any business with Chandan wood, Messiah. At present, people can give donation as sadhu. Money, putting in packet, bang. Though by watching Madhavendra, he can realize he is real sadhu. After that giving, all Chandan and cup, camphor, everything all tight. After that, Madhavendra would like to go. But he's an old man. Old man. Also Muslim people can check up what is there in the packet. Like me, one day I am entering into Jagannath temple. One day, I don't know who that security guard is. Security guard. He like to check my bag. I open. See, you see nothing there. Japamala he like to touch. Japamala, how you can touch? I open everything, see. I like to check. These are rules. Because that time, there was some area, particular. This area, Odisha king. This area, Muslim king. Again, this is Hindu king. And this was defeated. But India was divided into different parts. Follow. This way, Krishna thinking, my Puri, Surely he like to take all chandan and camphor. He can go to Vrindavan long distance. How you can bear? He's an old man. So better I cannot give him pain. So here somewhere I can take. So Gopinath came in dream. I mean the second time when he come back and taking rest night time, morning time, Gopinath Mandir. Gopinath. My name is Gopinath. Oh really? Yes. So my body and your in Vrindavan, Gopal Sinha, all same. So better why not you apply this chandan, you rub and apply in the body. There's no doubt, same. I accept chandan and everything. Why not do? Morning time, Madhavendra Puripad going to. There is a Gopinath came in dream, speaking all chandan he collected. He liked to take care. So, started rubbing all chandan. 21 days, continuously chandan, they are applying. The main Siddhanta Vichar, what I wanted to mean, that is, those who are, you can notice it. If you don't believe, you try to practically, you can watch the life of those Niskinchani. My Guru Maharaj never wanted to get any pratishtha. Any assembly, Guru Maharaj used to speak Harikatha like this. So shyness. I know nothing, what I can speak. Whole life. But Guru Maharaj getting topmost honor, even not going to foreign country. Those who are really sadhu, they love him. Even if you go to New York airport, washing their Guru Maharaj's photo in the airport, because the highest taxpayer, one foreign devotee who came, his three guru from that society fall down, finally he took shelter. Guru Maharaj never wanted to give Diksha to anyone. So it's quite natural. It is written, this Siddhanta Vichar is written in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Take Bengali, if you learn Bengali, half Lengani, very dangerous. Half learning is more dangerous than not learning. If you learn, you have to learn, so half learning is all, it can make confusion. I can say, oh, Maharaj criticized me, Maharaj don't love me. You can speak. This happened. Some foreign Russian devotees started learning. After their half learning, oh, Maharaj speaking this. They don't understand the meaning. Like I told you now one day, from England, some sadhu there, they are not sadhu. And Vidyasagar Mahasaya, that time British rule, some sadhu, is not sadhu actually, some personality, foreign personality, British people, very important one. He wanted to learn Bengali. To Vidyasagar Mahasaya speaking, I like to learn Bengali. Ami Bangla Sikbe. You like to learn Bengali? Yes. Then he is learning. Okay, sometime I can guide you. He can learn. After learning, within 2 months he is coming. Hami Bangla Sikhe geche. Hami Bangla Sikhe geche. I know Bengali everything. Because so quickly, you learn Bengali. Yes, you can test me. Vidyagote jal khabar jal. Jal khabar jal. What is the difference? Jal khabar jal. Jal khabar jal. Jal khabar. Same thing. You go and learn Bengali for at least 5 years, 6 years. Jal khabar means snack. And khabar jal means drinking water. So you don't understand? Jal khabar jal. Jal khabar. All same. All same. You go, learn Bengali. Like he wanted to put question. What do you say? And Krishna Varnam Tisha Akrishna. So I say grammatically, this word can be divided in 2 parts. Tisha plus Krishna, or I can say Tisha Akrishna. He told Akrishna doesn't mean it's golden color. I say, you are right, you are very intelligent. But actually, in Mahabharata and all Shastra, Upanishad, they are written in golden. It's confirmed. Hiranmayena patrena sattasya pihitam mukham suvarna varnam hemango barangas chandanagadi imavar. So it is confirmed, it is not assumption. You are right, or Krishna doesn't mean golden color, why I can get? Not black, not black, it can be green or white, whatever color. Why he is asking? Yes. So it is confirmed. It is not assumption. It's a divine calculation. Divine calculation. It is written in Mahabharata. Subarna Varnam, Hemangos, Barangos, Chandanangadi. So it's written. So in Upanishad, so it is clear. So this is the joking. Very nice joking. So this way, the Siddhanta picture is that those pure sadhus, Niskinchan sadhus, you can test them. They never want to get any patishtha, love, puja, patishtha, honor. Those who are staying around him, they think, Baba are getting patishtha, we can also get. They thinking like that. They cannot understand the inner meaning. This way, in Chaitanya Chaitamrita written, Patishthar Swabhav ei jai na chahe tar hoy vidhata nirmito. It is the nature of pratishtha. It is the nature of pratishtha that those who are not at all ready to take pratishtha, it is the divine arrangement, pratishtha rolling down behind them. Those who don't need pratishtha, like Prabhupada wanted to live body by doing Harinam in Chaitanya Math, Bhajapattan, but all demigods, Panchatattva, Guru Varga came, want to go for preaching. Preaching? How I can do? Preaching need money, all we can send to you. Prabhupada told. Prabhupada never wanted to take any patishtha. Gaurkishore Baba, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, all are my Guru Maharaj, never. If you have any doubt, you can test. Really they want patishtha. That's why they can digest patishtha. They don't want any patishtha, that's why they can digest patishtha. Otherwise, a dog cannot digest Indian ghee, deshi ghee. Guru Maharaj used to say, dog can eat anything, but dog cannot digest deshi ghee, Indian ghee, very pure, loose motion. So bonded soul anyhow, very tricky way, like to take patishtha this way, like to prove gradually, so that people can know my name. This way he can fall down. Bhagavan watching my heart, Bhagavan watching your heart. If you don't need pratishtha, if you don't care, automatically pratishtha can come. Automatically. You need not establish yourself. That is the main mistake everybody doing, in small devotees also. Baba having so much pratishtha, so we can also take. What happens, you see? Almost 40,000 in water. What to do? I cannot beat. I love them. One, not even single time, not showing. I say, repeat to show me, show me. Every month, magazine, he is doing very advanced. Oh, I can do. Now you see. Last moment. They are not going to obey. I know. They have no anugatva. Anugatva is completely separate. If I look at your eyes, I can understand you are anugatva or not. Immediately, I can understand. Even after not looking, even if I am not looking, still I can realize who has anugatva, who is not. How Prabhupada can realize? Anyway, it is the main Siddhanta Vichar. It is the nature of pratishtha. It is the nature of pratishtha, divine nature of pratishtha, that those who are not expecting pratishtha in their life, automatically it is arranged by Supreme Lord. Sudama before never wanted to get in. He wanted to stay very plain life, not even clothes, nothing. Krishna wanted to give him pratishtha. Wanted to wash his lotus feet, taking water, drink, Krishna. This way. So, it is the nature of pratishtha. Those who are less interested, automatically Bhagavan. Who want to give pratishtha to pure Vaishnava? Nobody. They like to kill him. But it is the arrangement of Bhagavan. Bhagavan give inspiration to everyone. Hey, go to Baba, go to Baba. Automatically. They can give inspiration. If at all I have no desire to get pratishtha. Bhagavan can arrange. I have no desire. Give somebody, speak rubbish or give honor, whatever they will. This way, there is a main thing, Madhavendra Puripad is Niskinchan. Our wrong idea, we have some wrong idea. Oh, he is taking so much prasadam, so cannot become dev. Taking prasadam, amount of prasadam, amount of prasadam, amount of sleeping, amount of your ethical character, that is not the indication of who is doing Krishna Seva with. Bhimsena taking so much prasadam. After doing Seva. One elephant taking so much thing. But anyway, elephant going to take Krishna on the backside and going, Radha Raman. But one ant can take this much. One sugar, they can distribute among themselves. Whole group. They can lick sugar. That doesn't mean ant is more developing more detachment than elephant. It's not the meaning. We must realize the inner meaning. Everything depends upon our devotional mood. How much devotion we have. And another thing, if devotion and love you have for Guru Vaishnava, you must remember, that is the nature of love. That is the nature of love. Boy coming from school, mother 5 hours before planning, my boy can come. First of all, I can give this, sarbot, solution. After that, I can help him to take. This is the nature of love. I am going somewhere, Guru Maharaj thinking about me, going there, foolish, can meet. This is the nature of affection and love. It is the nature. This is Bhagavan arranging pratishtha for those not expecting any pratishtha. Divine arrangement, automatically. So, you can remember, yesterday I was discussing, today is a special date, so I am bound to speak something. It's also related with Gauranga. So, anyway, before Bhagavan coming on this material planet, Bhagavan going to send all his paraphernalia. Anantadev, Mahadev, Shankar, Birinchi, Brahma, all Rishi Manis, all they are coming in the guise of ordinary man. Ordinary man. You don't know, in Jagannath temple, every day, all demigods coming in the guise of ordinary man. All demigods. They are taking darshan every day. One day, Indra was caught red-handed, but he is Indra. Follow. Indra started flying and running, and the place from where Indra flying in the sky, that place Sargodhar. You heard the name? Indra every day used to take prasadam in the Ananda Bajar, not paying price. One day the panda running behind, hey, give me prize, running. After that, from the place, ocean, they fly out. That is called Sargodhar. You don't know. Very nice place, Sargodhar. Yeah, you can find also cremated and gown also. One. You saw? Nice. Anyway, so, ki ananta ki shiv virinchi rishigon jato avatarer parshad aptagon. All they are taken birth by the desire of Bhagavan. Bhagavad rupe janma hoilo sabar. Bhagavad means, I told you na, those who are reciting Bhagavatam, they themselves must be Bhagavatam. You don't understand. What do you mean? Bhagavatam is there. Bhagavat you can find in applied form in their life. Their life, their character, their behavior, their speakings, everything is applied form. That's why they are also Bhagavad. Even more important than this book Bhagavad. The book Bhagavad anyway, I cannot understand. It need. But Bhakta Bhagavad, I watch Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj, how exclusively doing bhajan, Banshidas Babaji Maharaj, all pay pranam, how nice devotees. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, whole day and night doing Hare Krishna. Watching all Gaura Leela, Krishna Leela. How nice, Among us is somebody is very plain-hearted, enjoying Guru Kripa, he can also see. I promise you. They can also see. It depends upon how I am going to take myself up. When material platform is over, from then Aprakita platform can start. You can also do nam and can see everything. Follow? Anyway, Bhagavan giving some extraordinary facility to some devotees they can get. They are successful to draw the attention, affection of Krishna. Krishna bound to come. Like Jayadev Goswami. Krishna bound to come in the form of Jayadev. To bestow Kripa to Jayadev and Padmavati. You see, who Brahma, Shankar cannot see. And Padmavati messaging the leg. Padmavati messaging the leg of Krishna. Rupa Goswami Bhadayati. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande, Hari Deva Bhavantam Bande, Yadapi Samadhishu Vidurapi Pashati, Natavo Nakagramarichim. How nice Kirtan. Nobody can see 1 fraction of second. I like to see a lotus feet. Brahma, Shankar, I like to see one glimpse. And that Krishna coming and Padmavati messaging the lotus feet of Krishna. Can you imagine? After that still how we can disbelieve? I know you cannot see Krishna, but how we can disbelieve? Krishna is there, 100%. Anytime Krishna can bestow Kripa. It's not joking, not wastage of time. Don't think that way. So ki ananta ki shiv virinchi risigon, jato avatarer, parshadaptagon, Bhagavat rupe janma hoilo sabar, they all took birth as Mahabhagavat. Only Krishna knowing who is who. Krishna se janen jar angshe janmo jar. Krishna knowing. Vishwabhanu Maharaj is coming from our Vishwabhanu Maharaj, our Pundarik Vidyan is coming in Angsha, knowing everything. Krishna knowing everything. They cannot realize by the magic spell of Yogma. Otherwise, interesting Leela cannot. Taste of Leela, maximum you can get in human Leela. If Bhagavan coming with hand and club and wheel, everything. When Bhagavan just like human being, Bhagavan feeling appetite, crying, fighting, just like human being, just like human being. Mood is different, of course, but externally also. Then, in the human level, when Bhagavan can come in this level, then the Leela become very tasty, just like human being. Because anyway, man cannot taste anything which is beyond this limit. Still, if Yasodama crying like a boy, because a boy missing, is still okay, because crying for Krishna. Come on, that boy is no ordinary boy. Whereas the ordinary mother crying for his boy. Yasodama is successful because the boy is no ordinary boy. Yasodama crying is 100% successful, because she is crying for her boy, who is Krishna. So what wrong in it? This is the target of our life, na? The target. If you are crying for Guru Vaishnava, if you are crying for Bhagavan, it's more practical. You can get power. These are the rules. Anyway, so Bhagavad Rupe Janmo Hoilo Sabha. You see, Jagannath Mishra want to beat Nimai. I can beat you. idiot. But in dream, some figure came speaking something. Hey, you know, you're going to chastise a boy who he is, no? Who is he? Whoever he is. Now my boy, it is my duty to chastise. Whoever he is, maybe. But now my boy, Dev Siddho, Mahapurush, maybe something, I'm not going to accept as seriously. Maybe. But now he's my boy. It is my duty to chastise him. So I can do. This is called pure love. Pure love knows no age. When boy is 50 years over, mother is old, 90 years. Come on, my boy, kissing. The affection. Is the nature of love. Nature of love, pure love. Love cannot understand that you are now small, you are now middle-aged, now you are aged. Love is love. It knows no bounds. That's why it's the nature of pure love. So, Bhagavad Rupe Janmo Hailo Savar, Krishna se janen jar angsho jar. Karo Janmo Navadvipe Karo Chatigrame Keho Rare Oddo Deshe Srihatte Paschime. I can speak in gist now because time is over. Some of them taking birth in Navadvip, whereas some of them in Chattogram, they are at present in Bangladesh. Some of them in Birbhum, Bankura, some of them Srihatta, at present in Bangladesh, some in South, who knows, different places. They are taking bath. After that attraction, they are taking bath here, taking bath here, taking bath, they are all coming to the magnet, to the main magnet. Oh, how they are coming? How for different, long distance, they never saw. Attraction. This way, Guru Vaishnava has also power, magnetic power. You can feel or cannot feel, it depends on your luck. I myself, feeling Guru Maharaj is there here, I am there, I am feeling attraction, Guru Maharaj calling, attraction like magnet. Magnet, I cannot stay at home. This is the magic spell of Guru Vaishnava and Bhagavan. Today anyway, I like to stop here. Tomorrow I can explain more in details. So the sloka I started with, which sloka I started with? Huh? No. Huh? Jadavadi mama mano Krishna padar binda nava nava rasad vyamarantum asid tadavadi vato narisangam smarjo mare susya nishchivanancha mukha vikara bhavati vancha kalpatarusi ki pasindve patitanang pavana vaishnavyo jaya sunamadabundi puripad ji ki jaya ho sapa sadhan.